Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you a complete real-time .NET project. This is a customer enrollment system built using ASP.NET Core MVC, Web API, ADO.NET, and SQL Server with encryption. Let's first see the output. Then we will go step by step explanation. A simple form I have created. There is no validations also I have added. Here, I am entering the customer details. When I click submit, the data is encrypted in UI and sent to API. You can see in the payload section, all the data are encrypted here. Now, let's fetch the data using the customer ID. Before that, we can see in that data in the SQL side as well. In SQL Server itself, we can able to see data are encrypted only. Now let's fetch the data using customer ID. Here customer ID is 1. You can see the data is displayed correctly after decryption. If you see the database, the data is also not stored in the plain text. It is encrypted using SQL Server encryption functions, which adds an extra layer of security. Now, let me explain about the architecture of this code. We have MVC UI, Web API, and ADO.NET data layer, and SQL Server. UI sends the data to API. API uses ADO.NET to call stored procedure, and SQL handles the encryption. This is the architecture we are using. Here we are using register HTML page and details HTML page and encryption JS. These are the things that we have used to submit data, retrieve data, and encrypt and decrypt things also we have used by using these pages. This is the MVC UI. This is the MVC UI where user enters the data. Before sending to API, we are encrypting the data using CryptoJS. In this place, we are encrypting the data and we are using the CryptoJS to encrypt those values. This ensures data is secure while transmitting over the network. Now we will see about that API project. This is the web API which acts as a middleware. Here we are using ADO.NET instead of Entity Framework. In this web API project, these two methods we are created. One is for submit the data, and another one is to retrieve the data. In ADO.NET, we use SQL connection and SQL command to call the stored procedures. Now we will see how we structure the stored procedure. Here we are This is the procedure we are created for insert the customer data. Here we are using encrypt bypass phrase to encrypt data before storing. While fetching, this is the stored procedure. We are fetching the data from the database. While fetching, we are using decrypt bypass phrase. Um, this ensures data is always secure in database side as well. So the overall flow is UI encrypts the data and API receives, SQL encrypts again. While retrieving, SQL decrypts, UI display the data. This is called the layered security. If you found this video is helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.